Module 7, Lesson 6, the heat map report. The same email performs differently depending on when it lands. Send time isn't a detail. It routinely moves open rates by a third. The heat map shows when your audience actually engages from your own data, not industry folklore. Open reports, then heat map. The grid is days across, hours down. Each cell colors by engagement, opens and clicks that happened in that hour across your send history. Hot cells are when your audience reads. Cold cells are when your emails sink into the overnight pile and die unopened. Industry advice says Tuesday morning. Your data might say Thursday at 4 because your audience is operations people who clear email before the weekly close. That's the point of the heat map. It's your subscribers' actual rhythm. 2 workspaces with different audiences should send at different times, and now you can see yours. The report goes one step past showing you the grid. It recommends a send time computed from the same data with its reasoning attached. Like every AI suggestion in simple marketing, it carries provenance, and accepting it is your call. Accept it, and your next scheduled campaign defaults to the recommended slot. One caution, the heat map learns from your history. If you've only ever sent at 9 a.m. Tuesday, the data can't tell you about Thursday afternoon. Occasionally, send off schedule on purpose. Exploration keeps the recommendation honest as your audience changes. Next lesson, retention cohorts. Who stays engaged month over month, who churns fast, and which acquisition channel quietly sends you the wrong subscribers. See you there.